Right, our stay in the garage has come to an end. We're on our way down this pass again on the journey home. So in about 900 miles time and across the sea. It's been a great stay, so we'll leave it there. Right, this is our last night in Germany. We're heading back to the ferry port now. Been blessed with the weather so far. Got about 130 miles to do to the ferry port. Yeah, overnight sailing. About 120 miles home after that. Right, we'll catch you at the ferry port because it's nearly all motorway all the way again. Right, we've arrived safely at the ferry port in Rotterdam. Bit hectic on the approach to it, like, but no bother, we're here. Just waiting to get through customs now. And it's back on the ferry for the last night of the holiday. Another warm day. It's a little bit breeze blowing like this time. Right, we're getting back into England. We're on our way home. We just stopped for a cuppa. It's a blustery day. We're just a couple of miles off the A19. We'll be home in about an hour. And that's our tour to Switzerland done this year. Been great, thoroughly enjoyed it. Some of the roads has been a bit dramatic. Alright, I'll leave it there then. Thanks very much, bye.